Hello everyone, how's it going? Just going over what is happening with Lucid Motors. Lucid Motors have been noticing a downward pressure the past few days. Now, this is an exciting news that is coming out from Motor Trend. So Johnny Lieberman from Motor Trend, he drove the vehicle and he's going to post his review. It's expected to come out at about 8 o'clock Central Time. So in a few minutes, hopefully we should see that on their YouTube channel, or it could be on their website, Motor Trend. And Motor Trend has been covering Lucid Motors for quite some time now. If you look at this, this is a jubilant picture that's been coming out from the CEO, where he's been noticing with the Ford sign Ford showing up, and basically like a teaser coming up and showing. People are thinking that it's imminent that the deliveries of these cars would be coming out very soon. And according to this article, it's expected to come out in October. So October is when they're expecting these deliveries to go out. And there are also these emails that are coming out to their customers to reconfirm or confirm their order with the Dream Edition. So you can see this is an email that came out to a customer named Mark. It's nearly time to confirm your order. We'll have your updated configuration and performance details of the Dream Edition to share soon. And over the next few weeks, a member of our team will reach out to personally guide you through the order process. There was a down payment of about $7,000 to reserve that payment, and now they're asking people to confirm it. So this Motor Trend has been working with Lucid Motors for quite some time now. And if you look at this one, this is a video that came out last year in August, and they did the 500-mile drive on one charge. This gentleman had posted this video, and there are a couple of other reviews that you will see on their channel. So it's nothing new, but definitely something with the stock market has been picking up, and that is affecting the price of the market this morning. So it'll be exciting to see how the market reacts once the Motor Trend review comes out later this morning. Interesting to see. Just want to share this with you. With that, take care, stay safe.